Welcome back to Insight. I'm here with Martin Fisher from Science Central, and we're talking eggs today, but you're not going to let me eat the eggs, are you?
No, especially since 2 of them are raw, 2 of them are boiled.
I don't do raw eggs.
Yeah, neither do I. Don't do the whole Rocky thing.
No.
This is a great experiment to do right after Easter if you still have some Easter eggs around. And it's a great experiment you can do year-round to be able to tell if an egg is raw or cooked. I have 2 experiments. Now, these experiments, the first one we're going to do, I will tell you, make sure that you use plastic, clear plastic containers. Yes, I know I have glass.
Don't do what we say. Don't do what we do. Do what we say.
Exactly. I brought these because they're great chemistry beakers. All right, so for the first experiment, I have 4 eggs over here, and I've even marked them. B for boiled, R for raw. Take one of the raw ones, put it into this ladle. I'm going to put it into the water, and it sinks down to the bottom. Now get one of the boiled ones. It's a solid. It's completely cooked through, and it also goes down to the bottom.
Yes.
So here's what you're going to do at home, and you will have to experiment a bit. It's kind of tough getting the right, perfect amount of salt. You're just going to keep pouring in salt a little bit at a time.
Kind of like I do with my food.
Hopefully, I've got it right here. Fish it out. This is the raw one, and it should float. Oh, look at that. It's working. Excellent. Now I'm going to get the boiled one, and it should sink. And that's because the solid boiled egg, it's one continuous mass, solid all the way through. However, our raw egg, it has liquid and gas on the inside. The liquid and gas is less dense than the water around it, so the salt water allows it to float.
Very cool.
Here's the second experiment that you can try, and I'm going to have you help with this one as well.
Okay.
Okay, because you have your PhD in
eggs.
Okay. Start off, take the raw one.
Okay.
Place it on the table.
Yes.
And give it a light spin. Doesn't spin very well.
Not very well.
Now get the one marked B, the boiled one. Put it on the table. Give it a spin.
Oh, look at it go.
Big difference, big difference. Here's why. Let's figure out the science of what's going on with an egg. This water balloon represents my raw egg.
Okay.
It has
a
water balloon. I actually was able to get a small water balloon into another water balloon. So it's like the yolk, which is liquid, and the egg white, which is liquid. And eggs, as I said, they have a little bit of gas in them. Give this one a spin. Those 3 materials are trying to spin, and they don't spin because they're getting in the way of each other. The yolk gets in the way of the white, which gets in the way of the gas.
Makes sense.
This one is like our boiled egg. It's sand, solid, cooked all the way through. Give it a spin, and it spins much, much easier compared to that one. Easy way to tell the difference between a raw egg and a cooked egg, and you can try this at home.
Give it a little spin.
Yeah.
You know whether you should crack it or not.
Exactly, yeah. That way,
or drop it.
You'll know beforehand if you're doing your cooking at home. So this is a way that the whole family can get together, and you can do both cooking, make your eggs in the morning, boil the eggs, as well as science at the same time. Oh, I love that. That is
so cool.
You can see them stacked on top of each other.
Useful science that we can learn from Martin and Science Central. If you would like to go to Science Central and learn many more useful science things, all you have to do is head down there, learn more at their website. We'll be right back.